Alright, so what I got here is the arms for the deck on my mower. They broke last fall, and I had another backup, so I didn't fix it. And I was supposed to be doing this winter. Well, the grass is growing already, so I know I'm over here. There I am. I don't know if you can see me or not. So anyways, I can't get this off. So I had to drain all the fluids, remove the gas tank, so that I can weld these brackets back on. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to grind this down. It sounded like I had a bit too much wire. But this P100, it's a Lincoln. It's old, and the sleeve's got a lot of junk in it, so it kind of hangs up if you don't have it laying straight. And it's a 110 with a bottle. I don't have the flux core or anything. Alright, currently I'm going to touch this up here, grind this off. Well, I don't even know what you're looking at. So anyway, so I'm gonna finish this up here. I can't really weld on the backside because I can't get in past this bushing back here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna plate it. I'm gonna grind this down flat, weld another one over it, weld it around, and plate it. And it's the best I can do with it. This is a really bad design, and I can't really do anything other than that. We're gonna go through fixing my mower before the grass gets too tall out there. I'm not a big fan of these things, but after having glasses, until you flip the hood down, these bifocal things, you can't see what you're doing no more. Okay, so as I weld, I'm going to start bending that thing down because this is lumped up and I don't want to take that much of that meat off because that's what's holding this piece to the shaft, but I just want to plate over top of it so my arm has a little more meat to it. Just because I can't weld the backside. Okay. Well, we'll let that cool off and shoot it with some paint. Yeehaw! We might cover the other side, we'll see. See what I was talking about on the back side? It's broken right around that. And it's supposed to pivot. Well, I got it locked off up there, but this whole bar pivots along with this one here. And this is a bad design, like you can't take it off and fix it. So all I'm gonna do is tack this one into place. Let's see what I got going here. Looks okay. I just gotta make sure I don't weld it to that. I've been known to do worse. Clamps to it. I know you can't see, but oh, sorry. We're just hacking. Alright, let's see if I can move you around here. Let me back you up here. What do you think? How's that look? And as soon as I pull the trigger, y'all won't see anything anyways. Now what's going to happen is I'm welding on one side, and this is going to draw over because I might be able to weld a little bit on here on the other side. If I can, that would be great. Oh, maybe that would keep me from drawing a lot anyways. Put a little bit of stability on this side, except for I couldn't get the paint off of that side. So it's going to sound like poo. See what I mean? Sound like poo? But I got a weld on it. That's a good thing. Alright, see how she's pretty good, but she's kind of coming out this way. Look at that. A fine adjustment tool. How's she look? Looks like I need to hit it some more. Awesome. Woohoo! Alright, so I'm going to grind this up a little bit flatter. So that, flatterer. So I can mount my plate on here, which I don't have to take a whole lot off. I need to take a little off of here. But you see how we're, so I'm going to take that lump off for that weld. Right, what you guys do the hammer? There it is. I see it. Are we still recording? Look at that. Almost like we knew what we were doing. Cool. All right. We'll see what I can do with it here. Can you all see? Hope so. No, Dougie don't know how to weld. I actually hate welding. I have to do it for a living. You see I'm old school, right? I keep flipping up this automatic lens because I don't like them. Oops, I missed. Okay, so I'm gonna try to take that off of there because I can't really do anything with this back side of this one. I suppose I could try to weld it blind. All right, going in blind. I said I was going in blind. For those of you that don't know, that should smell like frying eggs. Oops, I burned my fenders. Burnt a lot of things. See how bad that is? That's production welding for you. Alright, well, I think she's okay. We'll call it good. For those of you that don't know, my welder has seen better days. I've run over it with a car, used to go to the racetrack with me. You see where I backed the trailer into it and smashed the front of it. It doesn't owe me anything. It still works pretty damn good if you ask me. Whew! Alright, well, I'm gonna listen. I don't have any orange paint, but whatever paint's gonna work. I'm gonna try to clean those off as soon as that side cools down. And then I'll put the deck on, which I gotta lay this thing back down. You see, I've got it. Oh, hang on. How do we do this? There we go. I've got it standing on end so that I could get to it because that's welded on. Hear that? So anywho, I got to get it laid back down, and since I got the deck over here, you see it standing there, I'm going to sharpen the blades while it's off before I put it back on. But anyways, I got it hooked to a crane in the ceiling, so I'm going to push it back over here and then let her back down on the ground. But I think it looks pretty good, except for these are not where they're supposed to be because they kind of move. But yeah, there we go. Yep, Frisbee break. Oh, see that guy? He thinks he's gonna knock this guy down. You ready, Henry? If you don't stop down there and look at me. He did. All right, I'm not playing fetch, Henry. You bring it up here, I'll throw it. All right, he finally made it back. There it is. I'm getting too old to pick it up, though. Oh, he wiped out. You can't run your little Yugo into a tank and expect to get away with it. Henry, come on. Come on. Come on, dummy. I'm standing out here all day. Look at this guy. Look how cute this guy is. Hi, Jack. Hi, Jack. You go get Henry. Nothing but smiles on this guy. Oh, I got it. Hey, drop it. Rip your arm off. All right, I get back to work. So there you go. Blades are sharp. I cleaned all the, that out of there. It's a whole lot easier when it's standing up like this than when it's upside down. So anywho, I have to get that mounted to, that. So I'm not quite sure how to do that at the moment. Let's see if I can knock it over. What do you guys see? Is it all the way backed out? Oh, it's too far. Maybe I'll put you guys over here. What do you think? What do you see over there? Oh, there's a little better, eh? I'm a little worried about this falling over here. I'm gonna brace it up against the bench over there. Oh, come on. Oh, you bastard. Get on there. I thought you'd turn. Yeah, I did. Alright. How did I do this, you guys? Y'all didn't feel it turn on me, did you? Like that. There we go. Come on, I can get out of there. Aha! Are we on? I think so. Looks like it, feels like it. Looks like it, looks like it. Success! So that's that project for this week. I mean, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down, and we'll see y'all next week.